In this video tutorial, you will learn how to join anchor points in Adobe Illustrator. Please support and subscribe the channel. I welcome you to Easy Guide official YouTube channel. Let's start by creating a new document. Let me draw a line. Right click Rectangle tool and select the line tool. Click and drag to make a line. Let's draw another line. So we have two lines here. Select both lines and increase the stroke. Let's zoom it so that we can see the points clearly that we want to join. We want to join these two ends. Press Ctrl Y for outline mode to clearly see the connecting points. Click and drag to join the ends. Press Ctrl Y again and now see the end points are attached. But the end is not looking good. So let's fix it. Click on stroke. Select round cap. And now see the two anchor points are perfectly joined. Let's see second method. Here I have two lines. Select direct selection tool, select both points, then right click, select average, then both. Make sure the both option is selected and click OK. The points are joined. Let's see another method. Select both anchor points and go to Object, Path and Join. In this method, as you can see, a line is drawn between 2 points. Let's see the last method. If your two lines are overlapping each other like these lines, then you can use the Join tool. From the Edit toolbar under the Draw section, you will find Join tool. Click and drag the tool to your toolbar. Now circle the area you want to join like I am doing here. See, the points are perfectly joined. I hope you have learned how to join anchor points in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. If you have any question related to this tutorial, you can comment below. I will definitely try to answer your all questions. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.